In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple charts on one screen in MetaTrader 5. If you're monitoring several markets or comparing time frames, this setup will keep everything visible and organized in one workspace. We'll do this in the MT5 desktop app, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way to make it smooth. First, open the charts you want to view. Start by opening the Market Watch panel. If you don't see it, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M to toggle it on. In Market Watch, right-click any symbol you want to follow and choose Chart Window. A new chart opens immediately. Repeat that for every symbol you plan to track, so each one has its own chart ready to arrange. If you're comparing different time frames of the same instrument, just open additional charts for that same symbol so you can lay them out together. With multiple charts open, it's time to arrange them on one screen. Go to the top menu and click Window. Here, choose the layout that fits your workflow. Tile. Windows spreads all your open charts into equal tiles, which is great for getting a balanced view. Tile horizontally stacks them from top to bottom. Tile vertically places them side by side. Cascade overlaps them in a staggered pile if you want to flip through quickly. The moment you select a layout, MT5 automatically snaps every chart into place, so you can see everything at once without manual resizing. There's also a quicker way right on the toolbar. Look for a small square or grid-style icon designed for arranging charts. A single click will tile your open charts instantly, and clicking it again adjusts how they fit. This is a fast alternative to using the window menu when you're working quickly or switching layouts often. If you want to control which charts appear first in a tiled layout, use the tabs at the bottom of the chart area. Each open chart has a tab. Drag a tab left or right to change the order. The tiled view respects this order so you can keep your most important charts in prime positions. Finally, if you're using multiple monitors, you can undock charts from the main MT5 window. Right-click the chart and uncheck Docked. Now you can drag that chart to another screen while it remains connected to your MT5 session. When you're done, right-click it again and re-enable Docked to bring it back into the main frame. That's all you need to set up a clean, efficient multi-chart view in MetaTrader 5.